So this wants us to prove that this thing is a trapezoid, but not an isosceles trapezoid. So we need a picture, slopes, and distances for each side. So pause this, take a second, or more than a second, take a couple minutes and draw a good picture and get the slope and distance of each side. Okay, so here's what your picture should look like right there. So I've got my rises and runs. I paid attention to my negatives, made sure everything was good there. And then I made a table that had all of my slopes and all of my distances. Now, we want it to be a trapezoid, but not an isosceles trapezoid. Isosceles trapezoid has to have congruent sides. And if you look over here at the distance column, there's no congruent sides. So that takes care of my not an isosceles trapezoid issue right there. For it to be a trapezoid, I need one set of parallel sides. That means all reduced. The only one that reduces is this. And that makes those two right there the same, which means those two are parallel. So now we can write our statement that says, based on my calculations, QWEK is a trapezoid because it has two parallel sides, but not an isosceles trapezoid because there's no congruent sides. Okay, so we want all that stuff to be there. And again, like I said, in every single one of these problems, the picture and the calculations are the most important part. The statement's important, but most of the points come from before the statement. So please don't just write a statement on it, nothing else.